All right, fifth grade, lesson 96. We have using reciprocals to divide fractions. Make sure you have your notebook. You can follow along with these examples. Have a pencil. That way you can try some on your own. All right, so we start with this. How much of 2/3 is in 1/2? So you have to think about, what is this problem asking? It's really a division problem. How many times can you fit 2/3 into 1/2? So it's 1/2 divided by 2/3. All right. We learned how to divide fractions in the past. We had 3 simple steps. Step 1, keep. 2, change. 3, flip. Keep, change, flip. So step 1, keep. You have 1/2. Here, let me choose a different color to do this in. Let's use black. All right, you have 1/2. Keep it. Change the division sign into a multiplication sign. Change and then flip using the reciprocal. That's the fancy word for flipping it. All right, so 1/2 times 3/2. And then all you have to do now is just multiply across. So that gives us 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. So to answer the question, how much of 2/3 is in 1/2? 3/4 would be your answer. 3/4 is in 1/2. All right. Go ahead, do this example on your own. Pause the video, write it down in your math notebook. All right, so we have 2/3 divided by 1/2. 3 steps, keep, change, flip. 2/3, we keep that the same. Change to multiplication, flip. 2/1. Then you just multiply across. So 2 times 2 gives us 4. 3 times 1 gives us 3. 4/3. Now, I guess you have one last step here, is you need to change this from an improper fraction to a mixed number. So 4/3 is just a division problem. So all you do here is you do 4 divided by 3. Gives us a 1. 1 and 1/3 then would be our final answer. So 2/3 divided by 1/2. How many times can you fit 1/2 into 2/3? 1 and 1/3 times. All right, last example here. Go ahead, try this if you're confident. All right, step 1, keep. You have 2. Now I'm going to write 2 as an improper fraction. 2/1. Change, division to multiplication, flip. 3/2. And now you just multiply across. 2 times 3 gives me 6. 1 times 2 gives me 2. 6/2. Last step, I need to change it to a mixed number, not an improper fraction. So 6 divided by 2. Well, that's simple and easy. You know that that's 3. So my answer here would be 3. You can fit 2/3 into 2 3 times. All right, your assignment, you have the lesson practice, which is up here. You also have the evens. Right? Yeah, lesson 96. So anytime you have your math assignment, it's I think what we're going to do here, and this way you can maybe even work ahead if you'd like, it's always going to be lesson practice and then either evens or odds. So if it's an even numbered lesson, like 96, you have evens. Or if it's an odd numbered lesson, like 97, you'll have odds. All right. So I'm going to actually show you how to do 2 of these if you'd like to watch. I'll show you how to do A and how to do J. All right. So A, you have 1/3 divided by 1/2. That's just 1/3. Change, flip, multiply across. 2. 3 times 1 is 3, so 2/3 is your answer, right? And J, so this was A, J. how many 1/3 are in 3/4? So this is a division problem. You have 3/4 divided by 1/3. Right, you follow the same 3 steps. Keep 3/4, change, flip, 3/1. Gives you 9/4. And then you have to make that into a mixed number. So 9 divided by 4. It goes into there twice. Minus 8. 1 left over. So 2 and 1/4. And that's your final answer.